how to use KFC coupon codes. I'm going to show you how you can do it online as well as in store. So if you want to do it online or on the app, you will visit the KFC website. So go to the official website for your country. You will select your order, browse the menu. You want to select the items that you want to order. And once you proceed to checkout, you will go to your cart and just click on checkout. Then you will look for a section called coupon code or promo code during the checkout, and you want to enter your KFC coupon code in the provided field. Afterwards, you will review and confirm. Just ensure that the coupon discount is applied to your total before proceeding to payment. Now, if you want to do it in store, you will check for coupon details. So if you have a paper coupon or a digital coupon from an email or app, you want to check if it's valid for in-store use. You will visit a KFC location, so you want to go to your nearest KFC store, show the coupon at the counter before placing your order. You will show the cashier your coupon. This could be a printed coupon, a digital coupon on your code or on your phone, or a code. And tell them verbally, and the cashier will apply the discount to your total. You want to pay the remaining balance and enjoy your meal. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.